welcome to day 22 of our giveaway. This was pre-recorded in
the previous
day,
year.
Yes, a different day. Today's giveaway is a CFORCE, CFMOTO CFORCE 500, 520, 550, same thing. Krossflow single slip-on. But Santa is quite nice this year.
You got a little twist today.
Yeah, so we're also, if you win that one, you will also get a
beautiful clutch kit.
Yeah.
And the guy or girl that wins this, it would be very great if you could send us, pictures, some good feedback.
Yeah.
Or bad feedback.
Any feedback.
Yeah, feedback is always good to,
And to win this, use the hashtag RJWC Xmas 22 in your post.
Which is today.
Yes, today. And preferably you post a picture of your machine or 3D model or whatever of your machine. Tag RJWC Powersports, use the hashtag in whatever social media channels you use. We have most of them. Goodbye.